Hello, my name is Eric and I am a technical support engineer here at Infinite. Welcome back to our survey video series. This is part 3, sending the survey. By now you should have created your survey and set up the survey text message. However, if you have not, please check out part 1 and 2 in this video series. For this video, we are going to take the survey and text message you created and set up the rules to send those messages out. To start, make sure InphoniteVoice is still open and click the settings icon in the upper right corner here. From there, select Rules Schedules. There are 3 system settings by default, but if you are currently sending appointment reminders, you may see more. We're going to click on New at the bottom and create a rule schedule for this survey. Enter the name at the top. For this example, I will use Text Survey as the name. Some other examples of rule schedules names you may use are Same-Day Survey, One-Day Survey, or Two-Day Survey. Whichever you choose, be sure to make note of this because you will use it later in this video. Next, you want to select the time range that the message can go out. Each block represents 1 hour, and we recommend setting a minimum range of 4 hours. For this example, I will use 9 AM to 4 PM as the time range. After your time is set, click the drop-down for Event Trigger and locate Appointment Days After Appointment. This setting controls what day the survey will go out. A new field will appear. From here, click the arrows to increase or decrease the days. Select the number of days after the appointment that you would like the survey to go out. For this example, we will set the survey to go out 2 days after the appointment. If you are interested in sending the survey at the end of their scheduled appointment instead, please contact support for assistance. Next, click Save at the bottom. With the rule schedule complete, we will select Rules Engine located here. Next, click New at the bottom and a rule wizard will pop up. Infinite uses rules to know when to send a message based on your schedule that we entered earlier in this video. Select the arrow and fill out the rule name, for example, Text Survey. The rule name can be anything. Some other examples might be Survey New Clients or Survey Existing Clients. Click the arrow again and check the box Text Messages. Make sure all other boxes are unchecked. Once completed, click the arrow. From the drop-down here, select the survey text message you created previously. If you do not see the message name listed, click on the refresh icon here. Click the arrow and you'll be prompted to choose the rule schedule. From the drop-down here, select the survey schedule you set up previously. This would be the note you made earlier. Then click the arrow and you will reach the Finish page. From here, you can click the check mark and your rule will populate. After the wizard has created the rule, we'll make some adjustments. The first adjustment is to select the drop-down next to Event Trigger here, and click Use Rule Schedule at the top. Next, check the box Deliver Survey and the box Rule Active. Scroll down until you locate Intelligent Text Routing and check that box. This will check to verify the number is capable of receiving a text message before sending anything, which will save credits. Scroll further down until you locate Allow Appointments that occurred in the past to be sent, and then check this box. If you do not check this box, your surveys will not be sent and will show the result Appointment in the past. Next, click the drop-down for text number and select your rented text number. If you are set up to use multiple numbers, you will want to select the group of numbers instead. If you send more than 250 text messages in a day and only have one number, you'll want to contact technical support as more text numbers will be required. After all of these adjustments have been completed, select Save at the bottom. Your survey rules have now been successfully configured and the text messages will begin going out. If you have appointments that match the days you selected, you can click Queue Status here to see your survey messages on the list to be sent out. Since the rules were just created, it may take 5 to 10 minutes before the survey text messages will appear in the queue. You can click Refresh at the bottom and this will update the list to show the latest information. The queue will display the contact name, appointment date and time, the rule name, the state in the queue, the number of attempts, and the date timestamp that the record was last updated. If the state shows rule matched, that means the appointment has met the criteria to send out the message and is waiting for either the time window or an available channel to send the message. If the state shows queued or scheduled, that means the message has been assigned to a channel and is currently sending. If the state shows complete, that means the message has been sent out. This concludes part 3 of our survey series, Sending the Survey. In part 4 of our survey video series, we will show you how to review the results of your survey. Thank you for joining us for this quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our customer service portal for more technical support resources.